everybody, it's Famous Bad Dave here, taking you on a tour of some of the biggest, baddest holiday foods out there. And that, my friends, includes the delicious fare of Cinco de Mayo. Hans, it's Cinco de Mayo.
Yes, it is.
So what are the foods?
We eat traditional Mexican cuisine for Cinco de Mayo. It's got to be colorful, it's got to be festive.
Yeah.
We're going to cook braised short rib tacos, something you could eat with your hands, which is really nice.
It works for Cinco de Mayo because it's kind of a festive kind of thing. So you could just kind of eat a taco, drink a beer,
Sure,
eat a taco, drink a beer.
Do a shot of tequila. This is putting love into it and taking our time. Mexican mothers are basically going to sit in their house all day and cooking for their families.
All right, well, let's make like mothers in Mexico and make some tacos.
All right, let's do it. We'll start off with our spices over here.
Okay.
We're going to put them into the bowl. If you could do that for me.
Okay.
That'd be great.
It's all the flavors of Mexico there, right?
Yeah. Now we're going to have this beautiful sound. Love that. Okay.
That is the sound of celebration.
That is the sound of Cinco de Mayo right there. A little bit of our stock in here. Families in Mexico really like to get together and enjoy cuisine and food and holidays.
They live to eat.
Live to eat. We're gonna put it into the oven for about 3 hours.
3 hours.
And while that's working, we will make our tortillas.
Oh yeah,
Wow.
that does look good,
Amazing. That was amazing. That's great.
right? My first try,
First
not bad.
try. The beef's about ready to come out of the oven. And you're gonna know this is done because it's falling apart.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
No, it didn't even hurt at all.
All right, cool. That's loveliness right there. And we're just gonna start to assemble our tacos. Now
That is a beautiful plate.
well, I think it's tasting time, Dave.
I think it is. It's a fiesta.
It's the Cinco de Mayo fiesta.
Yeah. Look at that. Honestly, that's the best taco I ever had. Hans, you are my Mexicana mama.
Thank you. Cheers. Happy
Cheers.
Cinco de Mayo.
Happy Cinco de Mayo. It's holiday foods. Tacos.